I was nominated by Lauren Smith to do the ice bucket challenge. So we have a bucket of ice. We defrosted the freezer. And so yeah, I'm going to have that poured over me.
Probably.
Alright.
Stay still.
Oh.
Don't throw it at me.
I've got like a circle of... It's winter!
Oh, no, shut up. Let go. Stop now. Oh, my feet are frozen. Yep, that will happen.